Good morning. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Okay, today we are going to resume our class. Okay, I hope you are enjoying the classes, and I am also happy that 8th class students are pushing the works. Are pushing the works, and I don't have problem with regarding the 8th class students. So today we will see about the second unit. Second unit, the previous class we have discussed about the sun rays and the earth's surface. Then we have seen about the heat balance, land and water contrast, heating the atmosphere. This is all these topics we have completed as day 11. So today the temperature of atmosphere, this is only examples here. So we go into the main topic We go to the main topic, that is the page number 24, students. Ready Page 24, take out the page 24 and take out your pen or pencil. But take out a pencil So I'll be happy if you are underline wherever it is necessary. Okay See, when I tell you it's important, then you underline. Okay, here. High and low temperatures. So sometimes the temperatures are high, sometimes the temperatures are low. That is depending on the location of places, Depending on the location of places. So we will see today what, Scientists have recorded the highest and lowest temperatures. So the scientists had recorded what they recorded. They recorded the highest and the lowest temperatures reached on the earth. So the temperature which came to the earth's surface have been recorded by the scientist. For example, now we just take a small example. The highest temperature recorded is from a place is called as Azazia. It's called as the highest temperature is from a place called as Azazia in Libya. Libya means the whole name is Libya. Now we can call it as Africa. We can say another thing is Africa. The dark continent. What the dark continent. Where in July 1922, so it is not now, it is many years ago, in July 1922, the temperature reached 57.8 degrees. Where in Africa? In Rama, it reached to a temperature was very high degrees, centigrade. Likewise, on a place at Vogstock station in the Antarctica, the temperature fell to minus 89.2 degrees Celsius in July 1983. So this has happened. So the highest degrees that time was recorded in Africa was 57.8, and coming to Antarctica, the degrees fell on to minus 89.2 degrees. So the highest and the lowest temperatures that time was recorded in 1922 and 1983. By whom? By the scientists. Do you know what it means for the temperature to be minus 5 degrees Celsius or minus 89 degrees Celsius? So what is the difference? What is the main difference? You already know that when water reaches a temperature around 100 degrees Celsius, it starts boiling. So we can say, when it's boiling, you can say it's at the boiling point. At about 0 degrees Celsius, it freezes. So the freezing point. 0 degrees Celsius, it freezes into ice. So we can say it's called as the freezing point. Where the liquid changes to solid. Here, the boiling point, you say the liquid changes to vapor. So that's the boiling point, and this is the freezing point. The medium temperature below is minus 273.16 degrees Celsius. This is the minimum. This is the minimum temperature below this degree. Temperatures cannot go below this. There is no more chance for the temperature to go below. When the temperature reaches below 0 degrees Celsius, it is recorded in minus x degrees Celsius form. Look at the number line. So here the number line is given here. So this is not a big problem for you. So here they gave some examples here. How many degrees difference is there between minus 5 degrees and 5 degrees Celsius? These are all the examples given to you all. So let's go into the topic, lesson topic only, because I don't want to waste my time. Okay, So come to page number 25, Page number 25. Recording temperatures. So the topic is recording temperatures. Now note down the highest and the lowest temperatures of the day by using 6 maximum minimum thermometer. So here is given as graph 1, average monthly temperature of Anantapuram. Here this symbol is the minimum, maximum, and here this is the minimum degrees, minimum and the maximum degrees. Remember, you have learned this has taken place in the 7th class, When which class, In the 7th class. How to record the temperature? So in 7th class, you all have been shown how to record the temperature. What is the device used to record the temperature? At the end of the month, note down all the maximum temperatures and calculate the average maximum temperature for one place. So from the month starting, from the first of the month to the month ending, record all the temperatures of a place. For example, your Anandapuram was taken place. Was taken here Anandapuram. By adding up all the maximum temperatures and dividing the total by number of days. So divide total by number of days. Then you will find you will get the average temperature for the month. So after this you get the average temperature of a month. So here this is also given in the table 1 table 1 is also shown to you here. Look here. So example you can take, see the months January, February, March, April. So up to December is taken. Maximum degree Celsius, this is maximum. The minimum degree Celsius. So this is what we are taking the table. We are taking the table. What table 1? Table 1 to see the average monthly temperature of Anandapuram. ATP is Anandapuram. Okay, and plot the maximum. Okay, here we can just take out this thing. This has been happened along many years ago. This is only an example for us. Only an example for us. So here there's nothing to get so excited about it, ma. You can just take it an example. So when we start always, coming to the monthly temperature, we can just take it from the day 1 to day 30. Okay, ma? This is what today we are going through, ma. We are taking the example towards Anandapuram. So come to page number 26, ma. Page number 26. Different places have different temperatures. Yeah, different places have different temperatures. Why? What is the cause? It shows rightly now, because the earth is not flat, it is spherical in shape. So the sun rays do not fall directly at all places at the same temperature. Because why? The main cause is the shape of the earth. Different places have different temperatures. You know that different places have different temperatures. Yes, this is confirmed. We have been learning from 6th, 7th class also that different places have different temperatures. Some places the temperatures are high, whereas some places the temperatures are low. Do you know why they have different temperatures? So what is the cause? Why the temperature is different? What is the cause for the temperature to be different? Do you know why? No. There are many reasons. There are many causes, many reasons. Now we will take a look at some of the possible reasons. So we will see about some of the possible reasons. Why the temperature is high at some places, whereas the temperature is low at some places. Places that near the sea and far away from the sea usually have different temperatures. Places that are near the sea and far away from the sea commonly they have different temperatures. So the places which are close to the sea and far the sea have different temperatures. We will see why. What are the cause? So temperatures differ on top of the mountain and at its foot. So again here also we have different temperatures. So the temperatures differ. There are a lot of difference on the top of a mountain and at its foot. Top of the mountain is a different temperature, and down, okay, the temperature is different. And you already know the temperature changes as we go as we go north or south from the equator. So even as you go to temperature, North Pole and South Pole, the temperature varies. Your equator is 0 degrees. The sunrays are very less here. The sunrays are very, very rare. So even the temperature changes there. It's very cold here and very, very cold here. Where North Pole is cold, South Pole is very, very cold. Why? Because of the sun rays. Places near and far from the sea have different temperatures. So the places near the sea and far from the sea have different temperatures. We'll see what are the causes. So we have already seen the average temperature of Anandapuram. So we have seen here about Anandapuram. We saw the temperature about Anandapuram. We saw the average temperature. Okay. Anandapuram is far from the sea. So the main location of Anandapuram is far from the sea. It is far from the sea. Now let's look at the temperatures of a city that lies next to the sea. So Anandapuram is far from the sea. That's why the temperature is very hot. We'll see what temperature is next to the sea. For example, we have taken Visakhapatnam. Means no called Vizag. Okay. The average temperature taken from Vizag Sea from January to December. This is what the Vizag temperature of Vizag. So we'll see now which month has the lowest maximum temperature in Visakhapatnam. So lowest maximum temperature. Okay. We'll see here, and where in Vizag. So this is also an example. The average and maximum temperature, monthly temperatures are plotted on the graph too. So This is one example. Why? Because Anantapuram is far from the sea. Vizag is close to sea. It's a coastal area. So that's why we took examples. What now? We took examples of Anantapuram and Vizag. The tables are given here. Ma. Okay, don't worry. I'll send you all. I'll send you all a topic ma for you all, so you'll understand clearly. And coming the thing topic today is what we have to do is let's read the lesson, ma, students. Not doing the homework. Doing the homework is not so much important, ma. The main thing is now you have to focus on the lesson. Read the lesson once or twice, if thrice, if it is possible. Okay, ma. You have to read the lesson once, twice, or thrice. Read the lesson, understand the lesson, then you can go to the question answers. So writing the question answers by heading question answers is not so exactly right. It's not so correct. So today the previous class I gave you all homework. I gave you all work as day 11. Day 11. This is day 12 today. Day 11 what I gave you all the difference between the highest temperature and table 1, table 2. So yeah, today your work is nothing ma. Let's give you all some work. We just be in line ma. Okay, go to the page number 32. Page number 32. Read and write as day 12. Day 12. 2 times more. Between Bhopal, Delhi and Mumbai and Shimla, which two places show a similar temperature pattern? So, 4 places are given here. Which 2 places have similar pattern? How can you explain the similarity between these 2 places? So, this question number 8. You have to read and write as student number. This is today your social homework, students. And I am also a bit satisfied that many of you have responded and posting your works more. So I wanted to go the same way as it is. Okay. So be safe and secure ma. Do your homeworks. Write the date and the name of the lesson compulsory without fail and post your works regularly. Bye students. Take care.